Today I'm back with another video. I will be unboxing this light stick today, and if you can tell from the side of the box, this is IVE's Lightstick version 2. I see some cards right here at the top. Now usually I do photo cards last, but I think I want to do them first this time. Here they are. We have Issa, Liz, Wanyang, Ray, Go, and Eugene. Let's see what this is. We have a strap that comes with it. It almost looks blue to me, but it could just be the lighting. The instruction manual. Here it is. So the first thing I noticed was how iridescent it is. And when I have it up next to my wall, just doing this, you can see the sparkles and the light reflect onto the wall. And then you twist to open it. And then you close it back. Well, that was it for my video today. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you next time. Bye.